Meet Jim and Jeff. They both have busy days ahead. Ah, here comes the pool. Jim has the new Seagull Pro. Jeff does not. The Seagull Pro uses a double filtration system to trap more dirt and debris than traditional cleaners. Jeff will spend the whole day cleaning his pool by hand. 4 motors and up to 200 watts of power deep clean your pool, including your pool's walls and waterline. Intelligent path planning and up to 3 hours of cleaning provide unmatched cleaning capabilities. Don't be like Jeff. Let the Pro navigate.